guys! Welcome back to Glitter.effron. I am Annette if you are new here. And this is Winton. He's CB. We're just CB. Today's Ipsy Day. We're opening Ipsy. We're trying on Ipsy. I heard ya. I know that the format that I was doing last month for HIZAUS and Ipsy went over well for HIZAUS, but not so much for Ipsy, which I get. We like the bag to be a surprise. I have no idea what's in the bag this month. It is already out of its pink packaging because child couldn't wait to see what the bag itself looked like, but I do not know what's in here yet. So we're gonna open that together and then we are going to create a look with whatever's in this thing. So let's get into it. This month's bag, I think I can safely say so far is my favorite. It is the sort of aqua blue with the hollow, and I heard people complaining about the zipper in the spot that it is, but I know there's been bags in the past with that style of zipper, and I don't really think it bothers me. I mean, I do reuse these, so if it did, I would find some other way to deal with it. There is like plastic wrap or something on the zipper, I think, so it doesn't get scuffed in the mail because it's that white rubber stuff. It's the bag kind of reminds me of like a pool. I just think it's so pretty. I like it. I just really like it. Let's see what's in here. What is in my bag? The first thing we got is Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in 03 Green Light. Ooh, I don't have a green gel liner. And it is by Sugar Cosmetics. Let me get this up here. Hopefully. Yeah, you can see that, hopefully. It is a very pretty green. Next up, we've got, skincare. We've got Z Skin. Blah, blah, blah. Acne Spot Treatment. Okay, so I'm not going to put this on now. I already have a treatment on my little spotties at the moment. Summer breakouts are the best. We will come back to that in another video. Ooh, an Ofra eyeshadow. The shade. In this shade. I don't know what shade. But I keep, every single time I go to say Oprah, it is not Oprah. A black sparkly shade.
If I knew his name!
Can you see the sparkle in the pan? I don't know what my lighting's doing today, by the way. It's still really hot here, so I'm not going upstairs. I'm using outdoor light. Where should I do this? It is an eyeshadow. That way. Good swatching, Annette. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Somewhere a little more pasty. How's that look? It looks not very black, but very sparkly. Oh god. Another Mellow Cosmetics lipstick. Did you guys see, was it April? I want to say April or March, one of those two. The last time I got a Mellow Cosmetics, it was in brown. I'm hoping it was just the shade. Oh, this is bright with a black eyeshadow and a green eyeliner. What are we gonna do? But this is in the shade Candy Floss. And this is Candy Floss. It absolutely looks like Candy Floss. I would eat this. Hands down. Does not smell like Candy Floss. It smells like my Nana's cottage. And the last thing we got is Wander Beauty Glotion. I've been curious to try literally anything by Wander, but even their like sample kits or your starter kits on Sephora like are way too fucking expensive. It's like $50 for a sample size of like a lip gloss and lashes, eyelash, mascara. I was kind of hoping to receive something in one of these, so this is exciting. Oh wow. Okay, that kind of leaked out a little bit. There was no safety seal. Stop coming out, please. Do I have enough light for the, I don't know, probably not. Okay, I'm going to go get some stuff that I don't have to put on my face, and we're just gonna try, or should we even do a look? Should I just, I don't know. I'm gonna sweat all of this off anyway. I'll be right back. We're gonna put the stuff on my face. Alright, let's do this. I am just kind of sampling all this stuff today because I really don't know what to do with this combination of things. Don't hate me for this one. I know I've done one like this before where I was just like, I don't know what to do, guys. Okay, so what I did was I went on the Ipsy app and it said that this black ochre eyeshadow can be used as a sparkly liner. I don't have any, what are you doing? What I did is I got a wet brush because I don't have any mixing solution to turn the eyeshadow into an eyeliner. This is not a very precise brush, but it's what I have on hand. At the moment, it is very cloudy outside, oh my god. So I'm gonna just try to do this. I feel like if I had a more precise brush, this would be alright actually. Wow. We did not control that line very well. Winston, do my eyeliner for me, you'll be better at it. Okay, we're going thick today, like, yeah, thick. What am I doing with my life? Oh, hey, guess what? That's not bad, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Hey, that's not bad, you know. I don't know if I would use this. It's too sparkly to use as like an outer corner shape up your eye look kind of thing. If I used like a black gel liner, I do like to go in and set with a matte black, and I think if I was looking for something more sparkly, which when am I not, that this would be better to go in and set with than just a matte black. Now I'm gonna try out this gel eyeliner. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna throw this everywhere in my waterline because I'm not going anywhere, who cares, right? So that is green. Seeing this? Can I zoom in enough for you guys to see that? Holy shit. This is so smooth on the waterline, and it doesn't appear to be transferring even though my eyes are watering like crazy. Oh no, okay, that black is transferring, but also I have a very greasy eyelid right now. I did not prime anything. I'm a horrible makeup guru. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, you know, this, and I'm gonna smudge that gel liner. We're gonna smudge it. This is not a good combination. Transferring. Wonder Beauty. Let's try out this. I'm gonna, holy crap, it just keeps coming out. Do you see that? Hey, I don't know how much of this is being used and not used. Please go back into the container. Okay, so I've got a bit here on my finger, and I would like to, at the moment, try this out as a highlighter. And we're just gonna tap that in. And it smells like medicine, but I guess it's like a glotion, right? So it's a lotion as well as, ooh. Okay, can you guys see that difference? I see a difference. I think that this is a very natural, dewy illumination. I am luminized in a healthy manner. I look very grungy. So let's top this off with some lipstick. This Wander stuff, by the way, I'm gonna use in my Yes Oh Yes video. I'll try it out in there, and I will mix this in with my foundation. Oh god. A moment of truth. That is all right, honestly, on its own, as just like on a no foundation day, when you're just like natural skincare all over the face. Moment of truth. Holy Lord. I am beautiful. Oddly enough, this color is messy, but much better than the brown one that made me really hate the Mellow Cosmetics line. So I'm probably going to hang on to that lipstick. Maybe use it in a couple 80s themed things. I'd say I'm confused by this month's bag. I love the actual bag itself. I think these products individually I really, really like, and it's not like Ipsy sends bags out for you to create a whole face with, but like, you know, I've had some pretty good luck with this. Sometimes I have to get a little creative. Today, just my creative juices are not flowing. I think I'd rate this month's bag solid 3 potatoes. We'll see you in the next video, beautiful people. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked and want to subscribe.